In this today's video, I'm exactly gonna show you how you can generate this AI character, and even you can generate male or female or any of the stuff with consistent character traits. And we are gonna do this with the help of an AI tool called HiggsField AI, which is literally ruling this market right now. So this is the website. You will get the link in the description, and then you have to just come in the image section. And now let's feed the prompt to feed Higgsfield AI. Okay. Now, as you can see, I am on ChatGPT. I am just briefing it about give me a clear cut character description of a female for my influencer page. So like it's just a random prompt. Okay. Our main objective is to just take prompt from ChatGPT to feed Higgsfield. Okay, to generate a character description by which we can generate our female's face first, or image you can say, and then with the help of just that image we will generate many more images. So as you can see, finally he have given me the prompt and I am just simply copy pasting it, and from here you can change the ratio and you get plenty of visual styles here. So at very first we have to fix her face. Okay, we have to select the best face. So as you know, we are creating it for the influencing stuff, so she might look gorgeous, and she must look gorgeous. So let's see how it goes. So as you can see, the images are stunning in the first round, but again I generated, but her eyebrows are too thick. Okay, and even the lips are not that much perfect, you can say. So we'll go on ChatGPT and again we'll brief about it. See, it's all game of prompting. Okay, and we are generating the exact prompt from the AI only, so it's much more advantage for us. And as you can see, finally we have generated it, and what we'll do is we'll just copy paste it here, and now we'll generate again more image. So basically what we are doing is we are finalizing a single image which we haven't got till now, and until and unless you're not satisfied with the result, you can just keep on generating. This is the best thing which I love of this AI. And now just look at the outcomes. This is absolutely perfect, and I'm gonna go with the last pick, as you can see. So let's check this out. So this is looking much attractive and perfect, right? Even her pose is perfect. So what we'll do is simply we'll download and we'll just prompt ChatGPT that finally we have generated the image. Now just give me different prompts to generate the different pose with different outfits, you can say, and just copy paste the prompt, and I'll show you the exact process how you can do it. So just refer my screen prompt, as you can see, and it's all easy. Just you have to use AI tools more effectively and efficiently so that you can reach the highest capability of that AI tool by generating the prompt from AI only to operate the various AI tools. So finally I'm uploading the image here so that the ChatGPT can analyze. And now here he is creating multiple prompts, right? So what you can do is you can just copy paste that prompt from here to there, and you are all done. So as you can see, finally I have copy pasted this. So this is the main exact look prompt, so you don't need to copy this. But in this video I'm gonna generate the pick on this costume only, so I'll not go for other prompts, as you can see. Okay, so I'll go for this prompt only, because as I told you, I just need a do that I have to create just generate the same character pics on the same outfit. Okay, so if you want different outfit, just prompt your ChatGPT, he will give you prompt accordingly, and you're all done. So now you can see finally I have uploaded the image here, and I'm just copy pasting the main exact prompt which I took. Okay, like you can copy any of the prompt which you wanna, and it's all done. So this is the best thing of it, which I like it. Okay, now I'm just pasting it here, and then at last the image will be generated. And you can even change your ratio from here. So as you can see, I have selected Nano Banana Pro for this, because this option enables us to insert prompt with the help of image too. And this is all done. Okay, so as you can see, it's all done, and then we are all okay. So just change your outfit and pose in the background and make it even more lavish, you can say. You will just get prompt. So basically it's the game of selecting and copy pasting the prompts with the single image which we have generated. Okay, and it's all easy. And anyhow, I have uploaded the video to on how you can generate the proper influencer model too with the help of this is uploaded on my channel, even though you can see it on the I section. So in this way you can just generate the images, and in that video I have also showcased you how you can turn this video or animate it into a realistic video too, right? So you can follow that video too. So till that time, this much for this video, and this process is extremely easy. Okay, HiggsField have made this process extremely easy, so you just follow what I told you and you're all good to go. So this much for this video. We'll meet in next video with extra awesome stuff. Till that time, bye bye.